You got hurt at work. Your employer says they'll take care of it. But will they? Here's the truth. Your employer has an insurance company whose entire job is to pay you as little as possible. They have adjusters, attorneys, doctors working together to minimize your case. Most injured workers don't know their rights. They trust the process. They follow orders. And they end up with a fraction of what they're owed. But that's not going to happen to you, because in the next few minutes, I am going to give you 7 tips to help you protect your workers' compensation case from start to finish. If you've been hurt on the job, or if you work in an environment where an injury is possible, this video could be the most important thing you watch this year. I'm James, workers' compensation attorney in Florida. I've spent my entire 30-year career fighting for injured workers, and everything I'm about to tell you in this video comes from my over 30 years of experience fighting insurance companies that don't want to pay. Tip number 1, report your accident and your injuries to your employer immediately in writing. Not the next day, the same day of the accident. This is the most basic step, and it's the one that gets most people in trouble the most often. When you get hurt at work, you need to report it right away. Not the next day, not the next week, that same day. And here's the part that matters most. Report it in writing, not just verbally. If you only told your supervisor by word of mouth, there's no proof that it happened. Send a text message, send an email, fill out an incident report form. Whatever you do, create a written record of the date, the time, and a description of what happened. Imagine you tell your foreman you injured your back while lifting a pallet. Your foreman tells you, "We'll handle it." 2 weeks later, when you can't work anymore, the company says you never reported any injury. No written report, no proof. That one missing element could cost you your entire case. Put it in writing every time. Now the next step is the one that catches most workers off guard. Tip number 2, go to the doctor that your employer sends you to, but know your rights. In most states, when you file a workers' comp claim, your employer or their insurance company get to select your treating physician, at least initially. A lot of injured workers don't know this, and they go to their own doctor first. That doctor's visit may not be covered. Go to the authorized doctor, but here's what you need to know. You have the right to request a change in physician if you feel that doctor is not treating you properly. Some company-appointed doctors are more interested in getting you back to work fast than making sure you're actually healed. If your doctor is clearing you to return to work full duty when you can barely move, that's a red flag. Follow the system, but don't let the system run over you. This next one could save your entire case. Tip number 3, never sign anything without knowing exactly what it says. After a workplace injury, you're going to be handed a lot of paperwork. Medical authorizations, claim forms, return to work forms, settlement releases. Some of these documents are routine. Others could waive your rights permanently. Let's say you sign what you think is a standard medical release form, but it actually includes language releasing your employer and their insurance company from any future claims related to your injury. You didn't read the fine print. By the time you realized what you signed, your case is almost closed. Before you sign anything, read every word. If you don't understand it, ask questions. Better yet, get an attorney to review it for you. Your signature is the most powerful tool the insurance company wants from you. Don't give it away without knowing exactly what you're agreeing to. Tip number 4, keep a daily journal of your symptoms and limitations. This is a tip that very few workers' comp attorneys talk about, but it can be incredibly powerful. Every single day, write down how you feel, what hurts, what your limitations are, how your injury is affecting your mood, your sleep, your day-to-day life, and how it's affecting your ability to take care of your family. When your case goes to a hearing or a deposition months from now, you're going to be asked to recall specific details about your condition. Nobody remembers those details months later. But if you have a journal, you have a detailed timeline that is very difficult for the insurance company to argue against. Keep it simple, just a few sentences each day. Date it, be honest. Don't exaggerate your symptoms, but also don't downplay your symptoms. That journal becomes one of the strongest pieces of evidence in your case. If this is helping you, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I regularly put out videos just like this to help injured workers understand their rights. Subscribe so you never miss one. And here is the tip that separates claims that succeed from the ones that don't. Tip number 5, do not let your employer or their insurance company pressure you into returning to work before you are ready. This happens all the time. The insurance company's doctor returns you to work light duty. Your employer says they have a light duty position available. And if you don't come back, they will say you are voluntarily refusing to work. That's the pressure play. Here's what you need to know. If you are not medically ready to return to work, you don't have to just because the insurance company says so. Get another opinion. If your own doctor disagrees with the company doctor, make sure you document those differences of opinion. Your health comes first, not their timeline. Yours. Tip number 6, understand what benefits you're actually entitled to. Most injured workers only think of one thing, getting their medical bills paid. And getting medical bills paid is important, but workers' compensation provides a lot more benefits than just medical treatment. You may be entitled to temporary disability benefits while you recover, which replaces a portion of your lost wages. If you only ask for medical bills, all you will get is medical bills. But your claim is worth much more than that. An experienced workers' comp attorney will evaluate the full value of your claim and make sure you're not leaving any money on the table. This last tip is the most important piece of advice I can give you. Tip number 7, get an attorney involved early. I know some people think they can handle a workers' comp claim all on their own. And yes, some claims do go through without a problem. But the reality is this, the insurance company has an entire legal team working together to minimize what they pay you. They have adjusters, defense attorneys, medical examiners, all working together. You are one person against a system designed to pay as little as possible. An attorney levels the playing field. We know the deadlines, the rules, the tactics that they use. We know the benefits that you're entitled to that you might not even know exist. Most workers' comp attorneys work on a contingency fee basis, which means you don't pay anything up front, and the attorney only gets paid if you get paid. There is no reason to go through this process alone if you can have someone by your side from day one. Here's a quick recap of all 7 tips. Tip number 1, report your injury immediately. Tip number 2, go to an authorized doctor, but understand your rights. Tip number 3, never sign anything you don't completely understand. Tip number 4, keep a daily journal. Tip number 5, don't let them rush you back to work. Tip number 6, understand all the benefits that you may be entitled to. Tip number 7, hire an attorney early. These 7 tips are the difference between a claim that is denied and a claim that gets you everything you deserve. Save this and stay safe, and share this with someone who may need it. You never know who's going through this right now.